Hey, Akhil here. Welcome to the AI Income Engine Review. This is a brand new system that converts complex AI tools into automated passive income engines in 3 simple process steps. This is a product by Donahoe, and we are going to take a deep look at exactly what we are going to get inside. In this video, I'll talk about the product itself, how the system exactly works, and, most importantly, the missing gaps I've found in the system and how my exclusive bonuses fill those gaps to get you ultimate results. I'll be 100% transparent about what this is, so you can decide for yourself whether you want to pick it up. Now, we have to address the technical setup income consistency bottleneck. As per the Google data, the biggest killer of any online business is spending weeks trying to stitch complex AI prompts and platforms together without a clear path to actual monetization. You spend all your time configuring tools instead of making money, and 90% of marketers fail to scale because they get overwhelmed by the tech grind. AI Income Engine claims to completely solve this by giving you a plug-and-play system that auto-builds ready to monetize assets that run 24/7 in the background. Let's see if it actually delivers. Now, let's talk about who is behind this. This is Donahoe. If you know this industry is a top 1% top-tier vendor who has already sold over 107,000 plus products with an almost 4.7-star rating for all his products. When you buy a product from a profile with this kind of track record, you aren't gambling, you're investing in a proven system that works. Onyx Single, founder of Learn Incorporated, recently used this and said, "I turned complex AI tools into simple digital products using this system." This automated engine generated $12,000 in passive revenue in just 30 days by cleanly turning simple digital assets into pure cash flow and authority. After 5 years in the marketing trenches, I don't hype up software unless it solves a massive bottleneck in daily operations. The core expertise of AI Income Engine isn't just basic prompt generation, it is a streamlined virtual income studio that operates on 3 core pillars. Here is how you actually activate this automated traffic and asset system inside the cloud-based dashboard. It takes just 3 simple process steps. Step 1, activate your engine. Log into the cloud-based command dashboard and select an offer or high-demand niche category instantly. Step 2, let the AI auto-build. The system instantly writes the high-retention scripts, designs the landing assets, and creates your complete traffic pulling structure. Step 3, publish drive traffic. Click Deploy to launch your new automated engine to siphon massive organic viewer loops and generate sales completely solo. But if you think, does deploying automated AI assets without any previous technical experience actually drive real marketing results and massive traffic? Let's look at the data. Take Jono Armstrong, ClickBank top vendor. I turns trending online niches into fast, easy-to-deploy cash engines. This exact model pulled over 150,000 visitors and crossed $8,500 in affiliate commissions without writing a single line of code. Then there's Amy Porterfield, online marketing expert. I started with simple AI-generated digital checklists and automated resource guides. That basic idea grew into a massive recurring revenue machine, pulling in $5,400 every single month on complete autopilot. Now, I promised 100% transparency. There are 3 big gaps I found in the product that you need to know about. You know, every software comes with its own problems, and I'm going to share those with you openly. But here is the good news, I've already engineered the solution for every single one of them. The traffic acceleration gap. The software builds your income engines beautifully, but it lacks an aggressive, fast-paced roadmap to flood those assets with rapid, zero-cost viral traffic loops. The niche saturation gap. You get universal deployment frameworks, but the system misses highly specialized, secret high-ticket blueprints tailored for 2026's lowest competition industries. The scale outsource gap. The engine runs smoothly, but it doesn't give you a plug-and-play standard operating procedure, SOP, to easily hand management off to a cheap virtual assistant so you can scale to 10 engines simultaneously. Most people fail because they have the car, the software, but no engine, the strategy. That's why my bonuses are critical. I've designed these bonuses to fill those gaps. To destroy the traffic acceleration gap, you get bonus number 1, the viral traffic acceleration roadmap. the step-by-step masterclass to instantly flood your AI income engine with thousands of hot buyers using zero-cost viral loops. To crush the niche saturation gap, you get bonus number 2, the secret high-ticket niches blueprint, an exclusive collection of the most profitable, untapped, and low-competition industries that pay out massive commissions right now. To eliminate the scale outsource gap, you get bonus number 3, the 48-hour hands-free scaling SOP, the exact copy and paste checklist to cleanly hand off your dashboard tasks to an inexpensive worker so your engines run 100% hands-free. Not only this, the vendor is giving you 10 more premium bonuses to help you see results from the system, and my bonuses are the missing pieces of the puzzle. They ensure that your investment in AI income engine actually produces an ROI instead of just sitting on your hard drive. Finally, let's talk about risk. You don't have to risk a single penny of your hard-earned money today. Donahoe is offering a full 30-day money-back guarantee if you get inside. Try it out, and decide it's not for you. Just send a support ticket and they'll refund you 100%. No questions asked. This means the risk is entirely on them to prove the software works. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Click the link down in the description right now to lock in AI income engine, to win $500 today and claim my exclusive, gap-filling VVIP bonus package, and automate your video marketing today. I'm Akil, and I'll see you on the inside.